What is a conditional statement? Now, a conditional statement is gonna allow you to run different pieces of code depending on if the condition is met or not. Now, what is a condition? Here's a quick example that's gonna show you what I mean. Now, if it's raining outside, we might ask ourselves, is it raining outside? If yes, then we wanna stay inside. Else, we want to go outside. So if the condition is true, if yes, then we want to stay inside, otherwise we want to go outside. Let's put some syntax behind this. Let's create a bool that's going to decide whether it's raining or not. So let's create a bool, is raining. Let's set it to true. Actually, let's set it to false because it's not raining for the first time in like forever. Now, how we write the if statement is by typing if, parentheses, and then curly brackets. Now, within the parentheses, we actually want to put the condition. So if is raining equals to true. So we want to check whether that's true. Now, if the condition is true, if this condition right here is met, then we want to type out we're staying inside. Now that's if is raining is equal to true. Now, if we try running this real quick, what do you think is going to happen? It's not going to do anything because this condition is not met. Because as we can see, is raining is equal to false and we're checking if it's true. Now, what if it's not true? Well, then it must mean it's either false or something else. Now, for our case, we just want to check if it's false. So if it's not true, so if, we're just going to type else. So if this condition is met, run this piece, else, run this piece. Now, if it's not raining outside, we're going to tell it that we're going to go outside. So we're going outside. Now, if we try running this real quick, we can see that it says that we're going outside because it's raining is equal to false. So we're going to check if it's true, which it's not. So it's going to jump straight over to this piece. Just to demonstrate that, to be more explicit, let's actually set this to true. What do you think is going to happen? You're right, we're staying inside. Now we can actually take this one step further and check if it's not true or false. If we want to be more explicit and check whether it's like null or something, we can actually do else if, and then put another condition in there. Now we want to check if is raining is equal to null. Now this is never going to be met because it's not a nullable type, which we can actually do by putting a question mark right after bool, and now we can actually check whether it's null. Now if it's null, we're just going to type out error warning type, that type is null. Now if we run this again, nothing is going to change, but however, if we change this to null, we can now check that it says error warning, the type is null. And that's pretty much how easy if statements are. Thank you for sticking all the way till then. I hope you learned something, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.